Hi there guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm ThatGuyAdz, and yes, we are back. I've got a few things to show you guys, so stay tuned and let's get it. Guys, I want to start with a big apology. I've been very lazy. I've not been consistent. I'm not gonna lie to you. The weather, Boris, you know, everything's just falling. Like, it's just taking me down with it. And yeah, I do want to apologize. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to be a bit more consistent. You know, some of you are probably thinking, why is his S3? Well, yeah, why has his S3 not got a number plate on it? There's a reason for that. So this is what today's video is about. I have purchased a set of number plates. You know what? I'll let you guys think what it is. What does that spell out? ThatGuyAdz. Nah, it's either ThatGuyAdz or S3. The car, ThatGuyAdz. So it's gonna sit like that. And obviously this is the front plate. So I've still got the backing. I'm gonna get the backing off. Boom! I'm gonna get that all taped up and come back with obviously how it looks on the car. I've also been dealing with an issue. These S3s are very common to fault. You know, the door latch. The door latches, they start deteriorating, or I don't know what happens with them. Basically, I've been experiencing the issue where the door don't close, door opens while I'm driving. So I encountered a situation the other day when I was on the A46 and the door just kind of opened and I was like, what the heck? Yeah, imagine that's what happened. So yeah, it's a madness. So I've got I can't get a brand new latch, so I had to buy a second-hand latch. And I've also got something else which I posted on my Instagram, so some of you may have seen it. If you haven't seen it, go follow my Instagram. The link is down below in the description. Also, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Let's get cracking. So the plates are now on. What do you guys think? If the lighting is a bit flickery, it's because obviously we've got the LEDs on either side. So show you the front of the car. Now it's too dark now. So, oh, that's how the plate looks. Yeah, you know what? It's not bad. The price I got it for, it's not bad. Reg transfers, big up you guys. Shall I do the other reveal till last. This is the door lock. Oh god, can't even get it out. That's the door lock. I'm gonna clean up with a bit of electrical contact cleaner. And what happens is on, I think it's this lock here or something like that, it basically just kind of started jamming or something like that, I don't know. But if you see here, this is like very flimsy. It's very flimsy, so I don't know whether it's got to do with that or this, but we're gonna take this apart now and dismantle this and just replace it over with obviously the new second-hand one after I clean it. So what are you saying, should we get cracking? Let's get cracking. I don't know if you guys have come across this, if any of you S3 8L owners have ever done this, but my god, what the heck is that? Like, honestly, what is this? Like, I've never dealt with this kind of issue before. Taking the door card off, to my surprise, there's this big black frame that is basically a part of this this frame here, and it's like a, I don't know. I really don't know how I'm gonna think. And obviously if you see here, the latch is in there behind all of these components. So I mean, I'm a bit confused right now. I guess myself, I'm gonna have to watch a few YouTube videos and see how I'm gonna overcome this, or maybe go on the Audi forum and see if I can actually find a easier way without dismantling everything, because I'm really not in the mood to dismantle anything. Well, as in detail. So yeah, and I don't know if you guys can also notice, shit ton of water everywhere. That's kind of drenched. Some of the plugs were a little bit wet. Look, that's water there. I don't know what and why it's like this, but I'm gonna get down to the bottom of it. So I'm gonna get cracking. I think this might take a little while, so I'm not gonna do a point of view. I'm just gonna try and get it over and done with as quick as possible. So see you in the next clip. I'm not even gonna say nothing. pillarless S3, mate. What? Listen, what? Hey, look at that. That looks sick. Look at that. That looks sick. No, it doesn't really. Anyway, so we figured out that.
Grease these.
Yeah, we had to take off this whole frame. So, Arif, if you're watching, this is how you tint the S3 8Ls, the front windows. I should call him actually and tell him to come tint my front windows. But yeah, that's how you do it. And you're left with this. So now obviously the next thing to do is take all this rubbish off and get cracking. So I'm gonna quickly do that, put on the second-hand one, and fingers crossed, hopefully it works. Guys, I'm gonna say it again, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you if you want to follow more of this whole project build and whatnot, my Instagram link is the description below. Also, if you're wondering why my S3 is gleaming, MPW, I'm also going to put that in the link below as well. Make sure you go check him out. And if you're local, come get your car detailed. Success. Look at that. That door closes beautifully. Oh, just, you know what? I'm so glad. Like, where's the other one? It works, honey. Now we got to put this back. Shall we have a tea break? I think we should have a tea break. Right, so that's done. Do you know what? Shall I show them now? The big surprise.
No, they ain't ready.
Oh, they ain't ready. You guys ain't ready yet. But you know what? If someone is, oh shit! There was another one.
Yeah, on the outside.
Oh.
It'll be marked up there, isn't it?
Alright, cool. Right, so we're gonna have a little tea break, get everything back together, and hopefully when I'm driving again on the A46, the door don't open. So yeah, look at that. You know what? These plates make such a big difference, but I'm really disappointed with these screw holes. I don't understand some people, like, screw in the middle, innit? If you have a long plate, screw in the middle. But what can you do? Anyway, car's gleaming. Car is absolutely gleaming. Oh, love it. The door is now fixed. Back together again. Everything works, and the door shuts. Are we showing them? Are we showing them? I think we're showing them, innit?
I'm showing them.
Oh, look. Brembo 6-pot calipers.
Why are you showing them my calipers?
These are for Hans, by the way. Joke. They're mine. So yeah, I'm gonna also do a little montage of, well, it's not, I didn't really take any videos, but I took pictures of the intercooler, the front mount install. So I don't know if some of you know, I do have a front mount big welly cooler. It's an eBay special one. So I didn't really get videos of anything, I just actually took pictures. So I'm gonna upload them now. Guys, I just want to say a big thank you to everyone that's been watching, supporting me. I am gonna try, I'm moving around so much, I'm gonna try and stay a little bit more consistent. It is a bit difficult, the weather being shit. Boris is bullshit again. Everything that's happening is a bit difficult. So yeah, bear with me. Again, if anyone's local, come check this guy out. He does really good detailing. If you're new to the channel and you enjoyed watching, hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed to the channel and as always you like watching my videos, smash that thumbs up button. On that note,